Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel for new video. This is the new video and new niqab tutorial for you guys. As you guys like this video, you can give this video thumbs up, and if you like much more this video, you can subscribe to my channel. This is the complimentary things that you do. It's a joke, basically. It's a joke. I know you can't do this. Let's get starting the tutorial. If you guys want, you go somewhere outside and you want something very simple and very light, this video is for you. Let's get started. I'm wearing this dupatta and putting this dupatta double like here, putting a pin here, and putting this part here, this part here, and pin it up. As you guys see, this look, this gives you a very decent and a elegant look like this. You can go outside with this tutorial. This niqab style, you can cover your chest as well, and this is the whole coverage, full coverage. Somebody asking me that please wear some jewelry, please wear some jewelry. So now I'm wearing jewelry on it. So here we go. I am wearing these two jewelry pieces. I am wearing this on my this hand and putting this on my this hand, and this is the complete look for going outside. Bye bye friends. Tell me in the comment section if you tried my hijabs and my tutorials. Tell me in the comment section. Bye bye.